Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix phone number already used on Steam. Have you been trying to link your phone number to your Steam account only to get hit with that incredibly annoying phone number already used error message? It is a super frustrating issue that can completely halt your gaming setup, especially if you are trying to enable Steam Guard or jump into a ranked match that requires mobile verification. But do not stress at all. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this issue in just a couple of minutes, so you can secure your profile and get straight back to gaming. Let's dive right into it. First, let us do a quick reality check on how this system works. Steam has a strict security policy that only allows a single phone number to be active on one account at any given time. If you're seeing this error pop up, it simply means your mobile number is still tied to an older account, a forgotten alternative profile, or maybe even a recycled number from a previous owner. Thankfully, freeing it up is actually pretty simple. Here's exactly how to do it. Scenario 1. If you happen to know the login credentials for that old account using your number, go ahead and log into it right now. Once you're in, click on your profile name in the very top right corner of the screen and select Account Details. From there, scroll down to the Contact Info section and click on the option that says Manage Your Phone Number. On the next screen, simply hit the Remove Number button, confirm the choice, and you're totally good to go. But what if you fall into scenario 2, where you have absolutely no clue what that old account username or password was? Don't worry, because Valve built a sleek bypass method directly into the system for this exact situation. If you're completely locked out of that mysterious old account, go to the main Steam login page and click on the link that says, Help, I can't log in. Next, select the first option, which reads, I forgot my Steam account name or password. On the next screen, instead of entering an email or a username, type your actual phone number directly into the search bar and hit Search. Steam will automatically send an SMS verification code straight to your mobile device. Type that code into the box and Steam will instantly display the exact account names tied to your phone number. Once you see the old account listed right there on your screen, select it, reset the password to gain access, and then follow the same removal steps we talked about earlier. As soon as that number is deleted from the old profile, head right back to your main account, link it up, and it will work instantly. And that's it. Your phone number is now completely free, and your main Steam account is fully secured. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.